Squad, man, it's your boy, Curdy-Bo, man, and I'm back with another YouTube video, man. I'm back at it like a crack addict, bro. If you new, bro, so go make sure to subscribe, man. I'm about to show y'all how to make a trap beat on your phone. Simple, high quality, not gonna sound boo-boo. You ain't gonna sound like a SoundCloud rapper, no offense, but you feel me? Basically, we about to be getting into. We about to get into the effects. So you know how I do it. I get my noise reduction only for that clear sound. You know, let me see. Then I go to my EQ and reverb, and I make sure I get those right too. So I go to my equalizer, and I throw that on siblings cut for that caged in type of feeling. You know, some more less echoey type of feeling. If you're trying to if you don't want your words, like if you just it just gives you that more professional sound if you rapping, okay? Slow attack, you know, it just gives like that good compression to it that's well needed. Make you sound like you in a real booth. And the stereo width, of course. Stereo width is just something I guess it is good for the speakers. If I'm wrong, correct me, but and it's good for the ears too. But I just be messing with stereo width. My mixing, I usually keep my vocals. I don't know why they're so high right now, but I'm gonna throw them down to probably like 80, a cool 80. And then depends on how loud the beat is. You got to make sure your beat louder than what your voice is, okay? And now I'm about to just load the beat on. Okay, I am back with the beat. I got the trap beat on there. If you want to know how to make, how to download beats onto your phone from YouTube, I will show you. I have a past video, which is in the link down below. It's going to be the first link I put down below. So, you know, if you want to learn how to put a beat on your thing, and if that video isn't working, comment and I will make a new video because I have more methods on how to get more beats on your phone. All right, let's get started. So I'm also just getting a quick bar. So I'm also just tap the red and let's get it. Oh yeah, what else I like to do is I like to put it on a telephone for that nice thing. If you put it on, I'm moving too fast. I'm gonna just go. Look, hey, red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, he a red eye. Red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, that's a red eye. Oh yeah, what else I like to do is I like to put it on a telephone for that nice thing. If you put it on, I'm moving too fast. I'm gonna just go. Look, hey, red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, he a red eye. Red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, that's a red eye. Okay, so now that we got the vocals on there, I was moving too fast, so sorry about that. Just ignore that part. But now that once you get your vocals on there, you know, we're gonna get the ad-libs in. So I'm about to just put it on bypass. I'm gonna put everything on bypass. And I'm gonna put this on long narrow for that echoey vibe, you know. And then this is just for the ad-libs. So make sure you put it on bypass and then just turn it down. That's simple. Turn it down and then go. Look, hey, red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, he a red eye. Red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, that's a red eye. Go. Look, hey, red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, he a red eye. Red dot, Curdy-Bo's holding that red dot. Turn that nigga to a red eye. Call of Duty, that's a red eye. All right, y'all. What else I can do? I'm gonna make more videos. If y'all like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Making more banger VOLOCO videos since I'm seeing that they're actually doing numbers. I'm about to hit 800 subscribers, man. I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a $10 Cash App giveaway at 1K subscribers, man. 10 beautiful, sexy, okay? So make sure to like the video, subscribe, repost the video, share the videos to your friend if you want to help them make a song on their phone. But I'm out, y'all. Peace.
What you cooking?
Look, I swear it's too much on my mind, it's too much on my plate. And I was finna cop a dime, but I copped the eighth. If you're not speaking common sense, then we cannot relate. This is not no PlayStation, we not about to play. And if you speaking on the game, then we expect